Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to create an affiliate marketing website in 2025 using the best and easiest method. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale your affiliate business, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. Hack 1. Choose your niche. Pick a profitable and low competition niche. Focus on areas like tech gadgets, finance, health, or software. Use tools like Google Trends or Ahrefs to find trending topics. Hasher 2. Get a domain and hosting. Register a domain using Namecheap or GoDaddy. Choose reliable hosting like Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger. Install WordPress for an easy and customizable setup. 3. Install a professional theme and plugins. Use lightweight themes like Astra or GeneratePress for speed. Install essential plugins. Yoast SEO for optimizing posts. Thirsty Affiliates for managing affiliate links. Elementor for easy page building. As before, sign up for affiliate programs. Join high-paying affiliate networks like Amazon Associates for general products, CJ Affiliate for software and services, ShareASale for niche-based offers. 5. Create high-quality content. Write SEO-optimized blog posts and product reviews. Include comparison articles, buying guides, and tutorials. Use original images, infographics, and videos to boost engagement. Par 6. Optimize for SEO and traffic. Target low-competition keywords for easy ranking. Use on-page SEO, meta titles, descriptions, alt text. Promote your content via social media, Pinterest, and YouTube. Par 7. Monetize and track performance. Add call-to-action CTA buttons to drive conversions. Track your progress with Google Analytics and Uber Suggest. Scale by adding email marketing and paid ads for more traffic. That's it. Now you have a step-by-step guide to creating an affiliate marketing website in 2025. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.